Okay, so let's look at noun straight away. Noun, a naming word. Very basically, it is a naming word. The name of something. Door, pen, board, glasses. Tom, Monie, Adrian. The name of an object, so pen or a thing, a board. Concept, love, hate, fear, excitement, doubt, and beyond. Person, so Tom, Monie, James, Adrian. Or place, place. London, Paris, New York, Berlin, Pyongyang, Cape Town, Abu Dhabi, Luxor, Cairo, and beyond. So, some nice examples. A pen, very good. Monie, that's a name of a person, so object, person, and book, well, object. And a concept, so we could say love, hate. Love, hate, a place, anything, London, and anywhere, say Berlin. Easy. Nice and straightforward. And we often use them to address things. So by giving this item a name, a noun, we know what to call it, we know what to address it as. So if I want to talk about this, that thing I can use to write with, it's a long thing, red ink, pen, a noun, pen. What's this thing that I can write on? It's big and it's white and I can clean it and I can write on it. Whiteboard. This white thing I can wear and I use it to teach with. Shirt. These red things, they go on the trousers. Suspenders. We use nouns to address things and we know what it is. Without going too deep into the psychology, by giving something a name, we can talk about it much easier. Yeah. And it's often the subject of a sentence. So for example, Monie might do something. Monie might say or do something. The person might do something. Or something might happen at a place. The Olympics was at London, for example. London had the Olympics. Or it could also be the object. The object of a sentence, the thing that had the action applied to it. The subject does the action, the object receives the action. So we could say, Monie read a book. So Monie could be the subject and book could be object. Adrian taught the lesson. Lesson being a concept. A classroom, or a lesson. Concept is, it's a thing we can't touch. We can't touch it, but it exists. Class, lesson, knowledge, intelligence, and beyond. Yeah. So now a noun, a naming word, name of an object, concept, person or place, used to address things, and it can be the subject or the object of a sentence. How cool is that? Let's keep going.